Today I'm going to show you how to install a free dark theme pack for GIMP step by step so you can give the interface a cleaner, more modern look in just a few minutes. If you've been staring at the default theme and want something easier on the eyes, especially for late night editing, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process from downloading the theme to activating it inside GIMP. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's start with the first step. Downloading a dark theme pack. The best place to find safe, community-vetted themes is through trusted repositories like GnomeLook or by searching GitHub for GIMP theme packs. When you're choosing a theme, look for something that matches your style. You might want a Photoshop-style dark theme if you like a familiar professional layout, or a flat minimalist pack if you prefer something simple and modern. Once you find a theme you like, download the zip archive to your computer. After the download finishes, extract the zip file so you can access the actual theme folder inside. This part is important because GIMP won't use the compressed file directly. You need the extracted folder, so keep that folder open and ready for the next step. Now, we need to locate GIMP's custom theme folder. Open GIMP, then go up to the top menu and click Edit, then Preferences. This opens the settings window where GIMP stores all the configuration options for the app. On the left side of the Preferences window, scroll down until you find the Folders section. Expand that menu, then click Themes. This is where GIMP looks for installed theme files. You'll usually see more than one file path listed here, but the one you want is the user path, which points to your personal profile folder. Make sure you choose the path that includes your computer username and not a system folder like program files. After you've selected the correct folder path, look to the right side of the window and click the file cabinet icon. This will open the exact themes folder on your computer, making it easy to place the new theme in the right location without guessing. Next, take the dark theme folder you extracted earlier and copy it. You can drag it or paste it directly into the themes folder that just opened. Make sure the full theme folder is inside that directory, not just the files from inside it. Keeping the folder structure intact helps GIMP recognize the theme properly. Now, it's time to activate the theme. Go back to the Preferences window in GIMP, then in the left sidebar, click Interface, and then Theme. This section controls the visual appearance of GIMP, including colors, panels, and overall styling. You should now see your new dark theme listed there. Click on it to select it, then press OK to apply the changes. GIMP will update the interface dynamically, so you should see the new theme kick in right away without needing to reinstall anything. If the interface doesn't change immediately, don't worry. In some cases, you may need to restart GIMP once for the theme to fully load. After that, your new dark theme should appear exactly the way you want it, and that's it. You've now installed a free dark theme pack for GIMP and activated it successfully. Your workspace should look cleaner, darker, and much more comfortable to use. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more GIMP tips and software guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.